Hey everyone, it's Andre here. I have a client who purchased a property and now what he's doing is incredible. He's actually lifting the house up and digging out an entirely new basement and then creating a luxurious triplex. You gotta check out this clip and contact me if you want to see this project going on live right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host Andre Angelkowski. We're here in Etobicoke with the investor Lucas Pierkowski. So this is the house that Lucas just purchased right here. He just took possession yesterday and he's going to do a massive renovation. We're going to explain to you what he's going to do, what he's going to create, and all the excitement that's going to be involved with it. Alright, so here we are in basically the main floor. So a house, a two-story house with no basement. What do you plan on doing for this thing?
We're gonna dig. First, we're gonna lift the house up. A company that's gonna come in, they're gonna lift it up. Then we're gonna dig the whole basement, take out all the dirt, do a brand new foundation wall, and we're gonna set it back down. So basically, right here, where me and Andre are standing, is gonna be a bedroom. There's gonna be a big window here. That little lounge is going to be taken out. There's going to be a little nice front porch there. There's going to be a big hallway, about 36 inches wide. There's going to be another bedroom right here. There's going to be a bathroom here with your washer and dryer. And then here's going to be your, right now is your kitchen. So this is going to be pretty much wiped up. It's going to be a living room here with the kitchen all in one.
This is the exciting part. Like, I don't think this is exciting for me. Like, I can't wait till we record how you're gonna lift it. You're up for the challenge.
I'm definitely
Not many people are up for the challenge, so I look forward to doing some more videos and recording their progress and seeing the final product.